You can create unlimited mock tests in just 2 minutes, completely free. Would you believe me? And that's not all. These mock tests can be created according to your exact syllabus. You can choose the difficulty level, decide the number of questions, and even get the answer key automatically. For this, you just need Claude AI. Claude is a powerful AI tool that can generate customized mock tests based exactly on what you ask for. Once you know how to give it the right instructions, creating a personalized test becomes incredibly easy. So let's see how it works. First, open Claude AI or simply search for Claude AI on Google. Click on Sign in and create your free account. You only need an email address. Select your email, complete the setup, and your account will be ready. Now, before creating your mock test, you need to decide a few important things. Which exam? Which subject? Which chapter or topic? How many questions? And what difficulty level? Easy, medium, or hard? Once these details are clear, most of the work is already done. Now comes the most important part, the prompt. One of the biggest mistakes people make is giving Claude a very basic instruction, such as, create a mock test for physics. Instead, you should provide Claude with a clear, detailed, and well-structured prompt. The more specific your instructions are, the more relevant and useful your mock test will be. A prompt is simply the instruction you give to the AI. For this example, our details are Exam, SSC. Subject, English. Chapter, Formal and Informal Letter. Total questions, 20. Difficulty level, Medium. Now our prompt is ready. Generate a high-quality exam-level MCQ test that closely follows the style of previous year questions and potential future exam questions. All the instructions are mentioned in the prompt. Now simply press Enter. And there you go, your mock test is ready. As you can see, Claude has generated a complete test based on our requirements. We created it specifically from a SSC board exam perspective, and the result looks realistic and exam-oriented. You can also download the test and use it for your practice. But there's one important thing you should remember. Don't immediately scroll down to the answer key. First, take the test properly. Grab a blank sheet of paper, read each question carefully, and write down your answers. Once you've completed the entire test, check your responses using the answer key. Otherwise, you're not really practicing, you're just looking at answers. After checking your test, identify the questions you got wrong. This is where Claude becomes even more useful. For example, if you got question 9 wrong, simply ask. Explain the concept behind question 9 in simple language. Press Enter, and Claude will immediately explain the concept in an easy-to-understand way. You can use the same method for any question or topic you're struggling with. This can make your preparation much more efficient and can even reduce your dependence on expensive coaching or additional study resources. So now you know how to create unlimited, customized mock tests using Claude AI. So if you want to learn more ways to use AI for smarter and more effective studying, subscribe to the channel, because there are plenty of useful study techniques coming in the upcoming videos.